RGTI stock analysis for next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space with about 43,000 video proof and 5 years of experience, all documented, track record, that all that good jazz. It's just that RGTI very similar, I believe, to like some of the tickers just above. All I just recently got a break even, but the only thing that's gonna make me buy tomorrow, let's say, is if I see the second break above 1568. And if that does not happen, then I'm not buying. Like with RGTI as well, I've got about 53 results as well. And like genuinely speaking, unless I see a full candle close above that point, then there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. And again, it all depends whether we break beneath the lows or above the highs first. It's sort of like a whatever happens first situation, like, because it's not gonna sit here forever. Like, one is gonna give. I just have to be patient. Excuse me for the yawn, but yeah, that's how RGTI is looking like. Got a bunch of receipts with this in the Discord. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated.